6 families in Matungulu, Machakos. Their homes were demolished by people who are only identified as thugs. Let's find out if the process and the motive was justified.
Anger, shock and disbelief filled the faces of locals in Koma area, Matungulu, Machakos County, after a gang of thieves attacked them and demolished their houses at midnight.
Jana tulivamiwa na watu wengi sana, genge ya wanaume. Sasa wakuja wakabomoa nyumba. Wenye walibomoa nyumba, sisi tukimbia tukawaacha.
The armed gang of at least 30 men threatened and evicted 6 families from their homes before demolishing their houses.
Bibi yangu mimi kakimbia. Sasa bibi yangu yeye akaachwa. Akaambiwa wewe una shida. Tunataka kichwa ya bwanako.
Despite the thieves claiming that the piece of land that houses more than 6 families is theirs, thieves added another salt to the already existing wound by stealing properties from the distraught families.
Walikuwa wanasema tutawaua. Shamba ni yao. Na shamba haiguzwa. Sasa sisi tukatoroka tukaenda.
The victims of this heinous attack are now requesting the county government to intervene and more justice to prevail as they have suffered huge losses. Sadly, the families are now homeless.
Ile tulishuhudia na ile tumeona ni kutumia nguvu na kuporomoka kwa sheria ya nchi yetu. Kwa ajili hakuna mtu amliye na haki ya kutendea wengine kinyama kama hiki.
The life threats from the gang instilled fear in these victims who ended up escaping to unknown places for safety. Mutungulu, Look Up TV.